Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. Now in today's lecture we are going to learn about the self inductance of a long solenoid. Okay, self inductance ही concept आपण शिकलो. What is self inductance? त्या कॉइल मध्ये जिथे मॅग्नेटिक फ्लक्स चेंज होतो त्याच्यामध्येच EMF डेव्हलप होतो. That is self inductance. Okay. So what will happen when there is a solenoid? Solenoid means what? Whenever there is a wire wounded on a material or pipe like structure, then this construction is called as a solenoid. Okay, so let's start. What is self inductance for the solenoid? Now consider we are having a solenoid. So initially आपण हे इमेजिन करतोय की सोलेनाइडच्या जे वायर वाइंडिंग होतं, सो इंटरनल पार्ट मध्ये जो मटेरियल सबस्टिट्यूट करायचा दॅट इज नॉट देअर. मीन्स वी आर कन्सिडरिंग देअर इज अ air or vacuum will be there. So there is a inductor coil which is connected with a battery. Now whenever there is current flow through the coil, the magnetic flux will change and EMF induced in the coil. So let there are capital N number of turns of this coil. Okay, number capital N turns of the coil. Each turn has a area, cross sectional area A. जो त्याचा एक टर्न असणार आहे ते एका टर्नचा एरिया A असणार आहे. And total length of this solenoid it is L as shown in the figure. Okay. The magnetic field associated with this coil it is B. Magnetic field induction it is B. Okay. Current flowing through this coil it is I. So here जे concept आहे आपण ह्याच्यामध्ये derivation साठी यूज करणार आहे. Okay. So let's start to find the self inductance. Now we know that magnetic flux associated with a coil it is given by B into area. Okay, phi. Magnetic flux means phi is equals to B into A. Magnetic field induction into area. Now first we'll find for one turn. So magnetic flux for one turn or per unit turn it is phi is equals to, or for one turn आपण काढतो म्हणून काही नोटेशन घेतलेलं नाहीये. So it is only magnetic flux per unit turn B into A. Now we know that what is the magnetic field here for a solenoid. When we are considering a solenoid, we already know that magnetic field it is B is equals to mu 0 Ni divided by L. N number of turns of the coil, I current flowing through the coil and L is the length of the coil जे आपण डायग्राम मध्ये दाखवलेले. ओके, सो व्हॉट इज फ्लक्स हियर पर युनिट टर्न. एरिया ऑफ वन टर्न इज ए, सो बी ची व्हॅल्यू मल्टिप्लाय बाय ए करायचा. व्हॉट इज बी? म्यू 0 एन आय डिवायडेड बाय एल इंटू ए, और म्यू 0 एन आय ए डिवायडेड बाय एल. इट इज फॉर अ सिंगल टर्न. Now there are n number of turns of the coil. So the total flux associated with the solenoid it will be number of turns into the flux associated with one turn. So here we are finding the total magnetic flux associated with the solenoid. So how to find it? Magnetic flux of one turn into total number of turns. So आत्ताच आपण फाइंड केला एका टर्नचा मॅग्नेटिक फ्लक्स किती आहे. It is mu 0 Nia divided by L and multiply by number of turns. So number of turns is also n. So ultimate हे सगळं सॉल्व केल्यानं आपल्याला आन्सर मिळणार आहे phi is equals to mu 0 n square Ia divided by L. Let this be the equation 1. Total flux associated with the solenoid. Phi is equals to mu 0 n square Ia divided by L. Okay. Now we know that from coefficient of self inductance that phi is equals to L into I. कारण फ्लक्स हे डायरेक्टली प्रोपोर्शनल असतो करंटला. So here it is constant of proportion, it is coefficient of self inductance arises. So phi is equals to L into I. Now from the equation first and this is the equation second, त्याच्यामध्ये पण phi is equals to आला होता, इथं पण आपण phi is equals to L into I लिहितो. So we can equate both the equations. So we can write Li is equals to L into I is equals to mu 0 n square Ia divided by L. आता हे इक्वेशनच्या दोन्ही साइडला I करंट आहे. We can cancel out this I. So the final answer or remaining terms will be L is equals to mu 0 mu 0 n square a divided by L. I cancel झालेला आहे. So mu 0 n square a divided by L. This is the L, that means coefficient of self inductance that is associated with a solenoid. Okay, this is that much simple. Now only there is one change. If there is a material placed inside the coil, जे solenoidचे actual structure असतो की a coil it is wounded on the pipe like structure, it is solenoid. So आपण आधी imagine केलेलं होतं की there is a vacuum or free space is there. Now suppose if there is a material placed inside the wire windings, then the permeability will convert into the permeability of that particular material. जो मटेरियल आतमध्ये आपण सबस्टिट्यूट करणारा वाइंडिंगच्या त्या पर्टिक्युलर मटेरियलची परमिएबिलिटी इथं यूज करावी लागणार आहे. सो इन्स्टेड ऑफ म्यू 0 वी हॅव टू यूज हिअर म्यू, ओके, फॉर दॅट पर्टिक्युलर मटेरियल. सो फॉर एनी मटेरियल वी कॅन राईट दिस इक्वेशन ॲज L is equals to mu n square A divided by L. Okay, so this is the final expression for the solenoid. Mu, permeability of the material on which the wire is winding, n, number of turns of the windings, A, area of each turn, and L is the length of the solenoid. Okay, so this is the coefficient of self induction or self induction produced in the solenoid. Okay, hope you understand this concept, this all expressions. If you have any doubt, then comment here, like our videos, share it, and subscribe our channel.